What's going on, everybody? So today is March 2nd and I'm standing here, March 2nd, see that? Standing here at my truck and just wanted to go over it. Yesterday was about 30 degrees outside, or 30 or 40 degrees outside, and I cleaned the interior of my truck, so I just kind of wanted to go over, like, it's a pretty nice day out. And the truck's relatively clean. I'm gonna refrain from washing it right now because there's so much like snow melting and then running off onto the road, and so it just sprays up, and then that's how you get like all this. So I'm not gonna wash it, but I wanted to go over just like I said, I cleaned the interior. It was in the shop, so I'm proud to re-clean it because it got a little dirty when it was in the shop. But I want to do a little update. So there's the interior. I want to do a little update on it since we're getting towards the end of winter, and I just wanted to go over like how it looks versus if you go back and watch my first video on the truck, you can check it out and see. Now as far as rust, really the only thing is just this. No, the bed, I don't know, the bed's bubbling through here. Around the flares isn't too bad. It's bubbling through, but there's not really anything I can do about that. And I'm not gonna try and fix it because let's be realistic. This is a truck from 2003, and I'll be upgrading to a full-size truck eventually. So for now, I'm just gonna save myself the money, drive this. You know, the underside, it is dirty, but the underside, now the bottom of the door is peeling there a little bit, which that's normal for a Michigan truck, but really look at the rocker panel. It has no bubbles even, hardly. And so I just wanted to go over it. I'm up to 161,000 miles. And same thing on this side. It's really dirty just from like the spray. I mean, I've been washing it, but anyway, I just wanted to go over it. Oh, I'll show you this side too. This side cleaned up really good. Just because it's the passenger side, but like check out underneath. Like that still looks, I vacuumed it, but this still looks like how I got it from when I bought it. And so, yeah, it's good. Got my blankets and stuff in here because it's winter time. Got my ball in here. Went and played basketball last night. So I just wanted to go over it. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more videos on the truck, let me know. And this is like a full clip. I'm gonna edit it, but I've been recording one whole length clip. So let me know if you guys want to see anything else on this. Tonneau cover's still been holding up good. My spare tire and my ice scraper are both in there. I kind of use that as like a trunk in the winter. But other than that, it's pretty good. Now we'll be getting into spring, and I'll be definitely washing it more. So like I said, make sure you leave a thumbs up, like and subscribe for more videos. And if you want to see more videos on the truck, definitely let me know in the comments. And as always, follow the YouTube, Instagram at ToddleyProductions. I'll leave it on the screen somewhere in this area. But a little update video on the Zr2. Has been that long since I did one, but anyway. I'll be making a few more updates on this, you know, once it's like fully spring and all the snow's melted. I'll make another video. So, but I figured, nice day out, might as well do it. And I've really been anxious to use this camera, which is kind of why I'm just putting out some like little short videos here and there. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and definitely check back for more videos on the truck because I'll be making them. Peace.
Oh, do you